In this example, you are going to learn how to find the zero of the polynomial by using the long division method. So here the question is, if two zeros of the polynomial f of x is 2 plus or minus root 3, find the other zeros. Here it is a polynomial of 4th power. So x to the power 4. So you will have 4 roots for this polynomial. The given roots are only 2 roots are given. You have to find the other 2 roots. First we will find out the polynomial by which it has to be divided. For finding that, you have to take the given roots. Write down the factors of the root. One factor of the root is x minus 2 plus root 3. Another factor is x minus 2 minus root 3. When you take this, you have this of the form a minus b and a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. When you expand this, you get the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the polynomial by which the given x to the power 4th power polynomial must be divided. When you divide it by a long division method, first again verify whether the given polynomials are in the decreasing order of the power. So take the first term of the first polynomial, given polynomial, by the first term of the polynomial by which it has to be divided. When you calculate that, it gets x to the power x square. Multiply the x square by this polynomial, you will get the second term. Now change the sign of the second polynomial and perform the same, repeat the same process till you get the remainder. In this method, when you are finding the zeros of the polynomial, when 2 zeros are given, the remainder must be always equal to 0. If you are not getting the remainder 0, means the calculation you have made is somewhere mistake. Verify that and correct it and carry out the same method. So this is the quotient you are getting, x square minus x minus 35. So this is the quadratic equation. You have to split the given quadratic equation by using the splitting the method, splitting the middle term method. When you split using the splitting the middle term method, you get the factors x minus 7 and x plus 5. So the required roots are x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. Already you have 2 roots given, and this is the 3rd root and the 4th root. This is how you have to find the roots of the polynomial by using the long division method.